the one true queen. Asia Songbird, Mr. G. Velasquez Arnesi!
Nakakashokot naman ito kukuha ninyo. Na-shokot. Sige, kuya, alalayan mo ko bilang mahalapit na ako mag 100 years old. Baka gumulong ako dito. Sige na.
Ayan, thank you. Paano nga po?
Hello! Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Good evening, sweetheart. I am so happy to be here tonight. Ano ba? May sariling buhay ba ito?
Opo, sandali lang. Eh di mo ano, sandali, U-turn lang ako ng malaki ha. Kasi, sandali lang po.
Sige, ayan. Yan. Ganyan talaga yan. Yan, ayan. Yan.
Ayan, pwede na ba?
Yan, pwede na. Hindi kaya nandyan si Nate? Nate?
Nate!
Lumabas ka dyan.
Ayan, yan.
No. First of all, thank you for always getting in touch with me. Alam niyo po, nung lumipat na po si Jonalyn, she would always call me and still consider my ano tawag dyan, advice na para namang walang kakwenta-kwenta. Ang advice ko lang naman, bahala ka na, malaki ka na, ano ka ba? Kaya na ng powers mo yan? No, but I would like to personally thank ABS-CBN for giving this young lady a chance. And you know, she deserves it. She is one of the few na talagang sobra kong talented, and I really, really believe in her. And I'm so happy that you have this concert. So dami-dami tao.
Kasi alam niyo po ba, mga kaibigan, nung previous concerts ko po, nung nagko-concert pa ako sa Music Museum, lagi akong binibenta ni ate sa audience. Sinasabi niya na, parang, you deserve to be heard sa mas malaking venue, ganyan. So, now, it's happening.
Ay, hindi. May mas malaki pa dito, eh. Yung katapat nito, doon. Yun yung next. And may I just say that you are not only queen of the night, you are queen, period. We would like to sing this beautiful song that I think, alam niyo po
Alam ko
kasi,
na po yung nag-spill lahat, ano?
oo nga eh, hindi kasi po, nakita ko po yung struggle ni Jonah, nakita ko siya nung ganito pa lang po siya kaliit.
At until now,
Hindi, ganito na.
may isang dangkal na po.
May isang dangkal na. No, but I know how passionate you are about your career, your craft, your singing, and it shows. Hindi ba nakikita nyo, ramdam nyo, bawat nota na kinakanta. Ang pangit ng nota eh. Notes, pangit din. Kasi naman itong mga baklang to, binigyan ng baklang hulugan. Yung kasalanan nyo. Hindi, pero di ba, bawat hit ng high notes, ramdam na ramdam nyo talaga. So, I don't know what to say anymore, but I am just so proud. I am so proud of you, and you deserve this. You really deserve it. So next time, we will be there now. Maybe next year, yeah? You guys are gonna be there, right? Pumunta kayo, ha? Huwag kayong ano, ha?
Ayun po, wala na rin po akong masabi masyado, kundi sobrang thankful lang po ako kay Ate Reg for all the support, sa lahat po ng pagmamahal talaga na pinakita niya.
Plastic.
Hindi po ate talaga, syempre bira lang ako maging cheesy talaga ng ganito, no? Pero nagpapasalamat po ako for giving us time tonight na makasama ka po namin ngayong gabi. So, thank you so much.
My pleasure. Tsaka malaki binayad ng ABS-CBN. Tsaka yung asawa ko nandun na raw, so malaki ng bagay. Oh.
Ang tanong na naman,
Oh.
ayoko naman galing sa akin kasi baka mamaya mabash na naman ako.
Sino naman ang magbabash sa'yo? Kaya mo na yung mga bash. Anyway, let's sing this beautiful song na feeling ko talagang ito po talaga yung essence. If you have a dream, there is nothing you can't do. If you believe in yourself, you believe in the Lord, anything is possible.
I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the real true love. I'm leaning on the everlasting. Oh, if I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence can seem so loud. Miracles in life I must achieve. But first I know it starts inside of me. Where
potluck, grabe naman. Maraming salamat po ulit sa inyong lahat. Maraming. Oh, sarap yung nagbibinata ba ako? Maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta niyo kay Jonalyn. Sana po magkita-kita tayo next year sa Araneta. I love you, sweetheart. Congratulations. Have a great night. Ladies and gentlemen, hail to your queen, Jonna!
Once again, Miss Brigitte Velasquez Alcázar. Ang totoong Reyna.